The sum of n terms of an AP is n square plus 3n. Find the 14th term. See, in the previous question they had given you nth term and you were supposed to find the sum of 16 terms. Now they have given you just the opposite, that sum up to the nth term is given, and with this you have to find the 14th term. Okay, you understand the difference. So whatever is given, we'll start from there, since we know how since we have to find out, right, we have to find the nth term, so we can do that. Okay, let's see here what is given in this. First thing that they've been given is what? Sum up to nth term is n square plus 3n. So we can write here Sn is equal to n square plus 3n. Okay, now so we can find S1 means sum up to the first term. So sum up to the first term will be so wherever is n you put 1, so it will become 1 square plus 3 into 1. So S1 is 1 square is 1 and plus 3 is 4. So remember, if you have an AP like 2, 4, 6, 8 and it has got only first term, so what is the sum up to the first term? Only 2. Sum up to the second term is 2 plus 4, right? So remember this part here. So if it is S1 is 4, it means, is it not A1? Yes, it is A1, means it is A only. So we can say A is 4 here. So we can use it. Now it says what? We have to find S2. So we can find S2. S2 is what? 2 square plus 3 into 2. So S2 will be 4 plus 6, that is equal to 10, right? So S2 is 10 here. Fine. Now I had given you earlier, that is just sum up to the second term. What is that? S2 plus 4, 6. This is S2, right? And what is S1? S1 is 2. If you get the difference, what do you get? 4. And what is this? You can see in the figure, it is the second term. So we had given you a general formula. What is that? That is Tn is equal to Sn minus Sn minus 1, means nth sum up to nth term minus sum up to the n minus 1th term, is a term just before n. If you subtract that, get the difference, it will give you t nth term, means it will give nth term. So this is the formula I had given you. We can use it over here. So it means if I take here S2 minus S1 will give you what? T2 in this case. Is that okay? Tn is Sn minus 1. So if it is S2 minus S1, that will give you T2. Remember, it is nth term, right? So it will be second term here. So we can use this formula. And what is S2? S2 is 10 minus what is S1? It is 4, and that is T2. So T2 is equal to how much? 10 minus 4 is 6. So we have got the second term also. A is given and T2 is given. A is T1 only, right? This is T1. So we can say T1 is 4 and T2 is 6. So do we not know that T2 minus T1 is common difference? So we can use that. So what will that be? Common difference is equal to T2 is how much? 6. T1 is how much? T1 we have got it as 4. Okay, so that is equal to 4. So common difference is 2, or D we can say is 2 in this case here. Am I correct until here? Now let's see. We have got A. I'm writing all the given here. A is 4 and D is 2. Okay, and they want 14 terms, so n is 14. So we can find the 14th term. How to find the 14th term? Just see. 14 term. So how do you write the formula for 14 term? That is T14. Remember term 14 they're asking here. So we'll write here T14. We write it clearly. T14 is equal to A plus 14 minus 1 D. So T14 is equal to A is how much? 4 plus 14 minus 1 is 13 and D is how much? 2. So 4 plus 26, that is 30. So what did we get? T14 is 30 and this is your answer. Hope is it understood?